Hello class 3, once again welcome back to our English class. So today I am going to teach the moon in the pond chapter 11 part B. Okay, so in previous class I have taught you the moon in the pond part A. So can you please open to page number 101. Okay, so as we came to know that Pet Rabbit was very cunning and he was harming all the animals. That's why Rudolph Rabbit and Terrace Turtle made a plan to teach him a lesson. No? So, what happened? So, all the animals were now they are ready to go for fishing. Okay? So, what happens? Everybody came to the pond the next day. Okay, so Rudolph Rabbit, Baloo Bear, Pat Fox, Mother Goose and her children, they also, Vicky Wolf also came to the pond for fishing. Okay, so with what? They bought a fishing rod for fishing. Okay, so do you like to go for fishing, children? Yes, some of you boys, they like to go for fishing, no? So it is very interesting. So what happened? Some of them, they bought fishing rod, and Pat Fox, he came with a fishing net. Okay, Mother Goose and her children stood behind the fishermen watching everything what was going there. Okay, Mother Goose and her children were just standing behind the fishermen, okay, and watching what they are doing. Okay, Rudolph Rabbit was the first, as he is the plan maker. What happened? Rudolph Rabbit was the first to start fishing. Okay, he threw his fishing line into the water. Okay, so hoping to catch some fish, but he pulled back the fishing line. Okay, looking very upset and troubled. I don't know why Rudolph Rabbit was upset and troubled. Now let's see. Mother Goose asked him in a worried voice. So Mother Goose asked Rudolph Rabbit what happened to him. Okay, what happened, Rudolph Rabbit? Rudolph Rabbit. Mother Goose is asking to Rudolph Rabbit what was the matter. And who also asked? Terrace Turtle also asked what was happened, what is the matter. Okay, what was going with Rudolph Rabbit? Why he is upset, okay, and worried. Rudolph Rabbit did not answer. Okay, what they are asking, Rudolph Rabbit did not answer. Just he said, he was looking into the water. Okay, in the pond. He looked very worried indeed. So Rudolph Rabbit was acting as if he was very worried. Something had happened. Okay. So when everyone asked, Rudolph Rabbit said that the moon had fallen into the pond. The moon had fallen into the pond. That's why Rudolph Rabbit was very sad. Can you imagine? Moon can fall in the pond, children? No. But they are making a plan to teach Pat Fox a lesson. So it was going according to their plan. Okay, so we cannot fish here anymore. Rudolph Rabbit said that as moon had fallen in the pond, they cannot fish there, so they have to go back home. So Terrace Turtle went up to the water hole. Okay, Terrace Turtle also went up to the water hole, looked into the water, and it said, it is true. It is true. So Terrace Turtle also looked into the pond, and he also saw that the moon had fallen into the pond. Then after looking at, he came back and he said that it is true. So all the other animals went to the bank. Okay, like wolf, Vicky Wolf, Mother Goose, and our children also went back and looked into the water, and they saw the same thing. Okay, what they saw? The moon. Okay, in the pond, in the water. Okay, that is just the reflection of moon, because it was, they went for fishing on full moon day. No, so it is a plan. Okay, they made a plan to trick Pat Wolf. That's why all the animals also supported Rudolph Wolf and Terrace Turtle. So they saw the moon was indeed lying at the bottom of water hole, looking bright and sad at the same time. Okay, it was the reflection of moon in the water. Okay, everyone said, and they were all worried. Okay, so what they are going to do now? Let's see. Rudolph Rabbit looked into the water and said, if we do not get the moon out of the pond, we cannot fish. We cannot fish this evening. So Rudolph Rabbit said that if they cannot take out the moon from that pond, that means they will not able to fish there anymore that evening. So, and we cannot leave, and he also said that they cannot leave the poor moon lying at the bottom like this. Okay, they have to do something to take out the moon from that pond in order to fish there. Okay, so Terrace Turtle also said that they have to take out the moon from the pond. But how can we take out the moon out of the pond? Said Baloo Bear. They are asking how we will take out the moon from that pond. Okay, Rudolph Rabbit shut his eyes and pretend to think. Rudolph Rabbit is just pretending. He knew that it is the reflection of moon in the water, but it is a plan to teach Pat Fox a lesson. Okay, after a while, what is Rudolph Rabbit said that we may be able to rescue poor moon. Now a plan came to Rudolph Rabbit that he said that we may be able to rescue poor moon. Okay, but how? Asked everyone in chorus, as if they are singing a song. They asked all together, but how we will take out the moon from the pond? Okay, they are asking. So this is the end of the moon in the pond part B. Okay, the remaining part I will discuss in part C. Okay, so have you understood the story? It is very interesting, no? So everyone went for fishing, and they saw in the pond that the moon has fallen in the water. So they are now trying to take out the moon from the pond. Okay, so hope you have understood. So enough for today. Okay, so see you in next class. Thank you, class.